Hi, Christmas lighting fans. David here from Learn Christmas Lighting. I'm so glad to be talking to you today. And, there's been this whole pandemic thing. I know YouTube has been demonetizing videos. Not that I'm not even monetized. Why do I care? But, anyways, there's been this pandemic, and it's made a shift in how we do life in the present. And I want to talk about that for a minute and talk about how that might apply to Christmas lighting. A lot of us, myself included, have turned on some or all of our Christmas light display during this time, and I think that's great. But if you've never created a Christmas light display before, I want to talk to you about doing your first display this year. Because ultimately, when this thing wraps up and people are allowed to get out and about, even if they're not allowed to get out and about, they're going to want to get out of their homes by Christmas time for sure. I can't even imagine. And watching a Christmas light display, whether we can get out of our homes or not by then, people can still come in their cars, and people are going to be craving an experience, craving something that they can check out, something that they can bond with, and just a way to get out of the house, I think, for the rest of this year. And so I think we're in a unique place this year as Christmas lighting enthusiasts, myself and you included, that creating a display is never, it's always something to impact our community. It's always something that we do for others, that we do because we enjoy it. But I think this year is going to be special because I think there's going to be a greater hunger than before for people to get out, for people to check these things out, and a greater ability for all of us who create Christmas light shows to impact them. So, if you haven't already, subscribe here. And I'm starting to work on a course that is going to be A to Z. It's going to help people start with Christmas lighting. Now, if that sounds like something you're interested in, literally an A to Z course, like you've never done anything with musical Christmas lighting before, you've never created a display, maybe you've just put some basic lights on your house, whatever, this course is going to be for you. And I really want to keep the price reasonable and keep the value high, which means, there's a certain amount of people we got to get in it to make it make sense. So I've created a waiting list, and I'd love for you to sign up for it at learnchristmaslighting.com/wait. Okay, learnchristmaslighting.com/wait. And there you can enter your email, and it's just going to put you on a waiting list so that as I have updates and I launch this thing, I can let you know about it. And if it seems like the right thing for you, I would love to have you inside. There's a couple things I'm throwing around. I'm talking to people who get my emails about the specifics, and I really want to knock it out of the park and make this like the best I absolutely can and really help a lot of people get started with a hobby that can be confusing. So if you're interested, if you're in, check out learnchristmaslighting.com/wait, sign up, and I'll be giving you some updates. Thanks.